If you are looking for a quick, comforting, and delicious breakfast, you have to try this Indian style poha. Poha is a popular Indian breakfast made with a flat rice. It's light, flavorful, and incredibly too easy to make. So today let's make it together. First, I heat a pan and add a little oil. Once the oil was hot, I add some chopped onion and fresh curry leaves. I saute everything until the onion becomes soft and lightly golden. Then I add some chopped tomatoes and let them cook for a few minutes until they soft. For a little extra crunch and sweetness, I add some peanuts, cashew, and a few raisins. I mix everything together and let them cook for another minute. Meanwhile, I had soaked the flanted rice in water for a few minutes. Once it's soft, I drain it really well and add it straight into the pan. Then I sprinkle in a little turmeric powder and gently mix everything together. I let it cook for about 5 minutes, allowing all those simple ingredients to come together. And that's it. Our easy Indian breakfast is ready. Look at how colorful and delicious it turned out. The soft poha, crunchy peanuts, and cashew with those little bursts of sweetness from the raisins make every bite so good. This is one of those simple recipes that you can enjoy anytime you want a quick and comforting breakfast. You have never tried Indian poha before. This is definitely great one to start with.